I need to speak to you in the front.
Listen, listen,
I refuse.
listen what's going to happen. Listen to what's going to happen. If you guys do not deboard the aircraft now, I am going to deplane this aircraft and you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand that? You understand that?
We're speaking to you and
I need a lawyer.
Okay. Like I said, we're going to deboard this aircraft and I'm going to take you to jail. Do you understand that?
She threw one of the tablets. They were using a tablet, someone, and she just slammed it. Quick question. So we have to deplane everyone if you guys
If they refuse, I have to deplane the aircraft. Yeah. Hello.
Okay. Señor, ¿cómo está? Bien, ¿qué tal? Tengo dos pasajeros que están en primera clase, no comply. This is the captain of the flight.
Yes, sir.
Two passengers stand in first class. Wrongfully, they accepted the drinks, they started drinking, and then they were told to go back to their seats. But they were already intoxicated. Okay. So now I'm asking them to please come to the front so I can speak to them. They're refusing to come. In that,
So they're not flying, right?
They're not flying. They're not flying.
I'm going to watch you. Let them know they need to deboard the aircraft. If they do not, we're going to deplane the aircraft, and then we're going to forcibly remove them.
Thank you. Very good.
Thank you guys very much.
It's departing. They refuse? All right. Deboard the whole aircraft. We got to deboard the aircraft.
They're refusing to come off?
They're refusing to come out.
Okay.
Go ahead. Come on in. They're all the way in the back.
I went there and told them, this is the third time I asked you to please to talk to the family, and this is the fourth time I'm telling you I'm not coming up. So, it's just that they don't want to. I have to first ask them. If they don't, then we did.
Let them know that they do not deboard. They are going to be arrested for trespass. You know, I'm just going to give them the verbal warning myself.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
For what?
Hi.
I need to speak to you in the front.
Listen.
I refuse.
Listen what's going to happen. Listen to what's going to happen. If you guys do not deboard the aircraft now, I am going to deplane this aircraft and you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand that? You understand that?
We're speaking to you and
I need a lawyer.
Okay. Like I said, we're going to deboard this aircraft and I'm going to take you to jail. Do you understand that? Okay, she understands it.
Thank you, gentlemen. No worries. I appreciate you trying. Would you like to deboard or would you like me to?
would you please try?
No. So basically, you get your belongings from the aircraft momentarily. You're going to get back to the overhead compartments. Once you're all on board, we'll actually they should take them back. Even the overhead decks, whatever they need, that's it.
She's going to be at 39.
Yes.
Just going to be there. It's two of them? No, they're both going because he was next to her and he heard the same speech.
Do you request at this moment all gather your belongings, your overhead bags and whatnot, and then head upstairs and then be playing in your aircraft, so our officers here can take care of their jobs and you'll contact them immediately. Once upstairs is stay in the boarding area, as soon as we have the problem resolved, we'll come back down and discuss the plans. Everyone's office, you can?
Thank you very much. I'm still going to jail. I already told her, I warned her, she didn't get up, she's going to jail. what is that?
Yeah. Don't use a lady's bag. Thank you. Yeah.
So now what happens? We're all going to miss our connections. But if we only have a 30-minute connection and there's no more
We're gonna have
flights,
to rebook you over there.
1 minute of because I stayed at a hotel.
Where we get this? How we do that?
I'm like 99% sure those are their bags.
Service guys.
5. No, wait. Good luck.
Thank you. Thanks. Oh, they're going to jail. She was supposed to get out before we deboarded. Yeah. No, one of the ones next to her. I don't know which one.
There's only two of them? Oh, I saw her, but
Once she passes, hold these people back so we can take care of business here. And
hey, sir.
all right.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck with that.
Hablan español. Sí, ¿qué pasó? ¿Ah?
Van a bajar el avión por un segundo.
Hay que bajar por un segundito y va a volver a montar.
Make sure you throw a book at them, please.
Yeah, I see her. Who's the other one? The male? Oh, it's two females?
Okay, now we're ready. We saved the whole plane. We don't want everyone to
Exit.
come.
She's the other one? Come on.
We'll get that in a second. Walk out.
Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
Can I? Like, yeah, can we just
Clap your
save the whole
hands.
plane?
Clap your hands.
It's not detrimental.
The chance was in the beginning when we spoke. Okay, that was the chance to save.
When I told you to exit the aircraft, that's when you were supposed to exit.
No, when you told me to call your attorney, this is what happened.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. And like, attorney is gonna hit you up, so why are you so rude?
Hold up, hon.
And if I said no, then what? That's my fault. We were gonna be able to still go on our flight. We were still gonna be able to fly after.
Hold on, hon.
Because I was not sitting in the right seat. You're doing that because I was not sitting in the right
I have it on
seat.
video. I literally have everything recorded.
All right, come on.
They're just doing their job.
Come on, hon.
They're doing their part. Oh yeah,
Okay, so, I need somebody to get me the info on the flight attendant, the pilot, and this gentleman. I need a female for a pat down.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna need a female for a pat down.
That is.
I have it on video, and I literally have the guy saying they told me to tell you that.
No, that's good because
We're good.
I'm getting kicked out because I didn't sit in the right fucking seat.
Mama, get up.
Get up, get up.
Get up, get up. Come on, get up.
Oh, sorry. I just had a.
I need to pee.
How to do a little yoga on the way to jail. Oh my god, I keep sorry. There we go. Food for me. Sonia. And that's just what
My car's over here, so.
Run! Hey, don't sit in the wrong seat. Don't sit.
No, I told these guys to get it for me. The guys over there, I told them, get me the info from the pilot. The pilot said it. Who else is over there?
Yeah, I gotta go back and get it.
Actually, I need to burn my mail. I've rested.
Hey, don't sit in the wrong seat because you'll get arrested.
Burn my mail.
Hey, don't sit in first class because you'll get arrested. Sonia.
Let's go down, exit door 11, and I'm parked in 12. Airport 3202. Could I get a female officer to 15 at lower door 12, reference pat down? Let's do the elevator.
You look hot though.
He's number 8683. 8683. 1735 and she will arrive. 1720. Airport is going to
No, it's not even that. We were just being loud for the house and Karen was like complaining and that's all it's doing.
That green and white right there.
She was out there fighting the whole time in the back and they just wanted to be like, I think it was like a millionaire or something that likes to put on me. I had it all on video and then they told the guy to come up to us that he had Trashy. But they told me to see that. So I'm like, bro, like, just tell us to go back to our seat and we'll be cool. Like, it's not an issue, so they get the issue. It's just whoever's in whatever mood that day, shit happens. This is not my first arrest, obviously, but it is what it is.
Where's your ID?
For my first?
You have it on you?
Why would I have it on me?
No, you don't have your purse on you?
You guys arrested me.
Your purse was in the overhead?
Yes. No, my purse was right there on the floor. They keep my purse on the floor.
I'll just ask you for your information.
Oh, okay. I'm like, what do you mean? I hope it's in there. Yeah, my
Gotta get this bag out of here. Have a seat. Thank you. Whoever was behind us, Augustine.
So I have to sit back here really with my hands.
Yes, turn sideways so it doesn't
like
hurt.
that, yeah.
Put your shoulder on the seat and your knees to one side or the other. It's a lot more comfortable.
But They let him go in the back before.
What?
I'm not aggressive.
No, I have to put them in the back. That's.
I've been back here without them.
Okay. It's not gonna come off until we get to the jail. I can't take them off. It's
In
not gonna
Miami?
happen. In Miami, it doesn't come off until you get to the jail. I'll put them in the front.
Hey girl! I miss you!
Let me start the car.